It's got a kick. It's got a kick. It's a good kick. Now that is super sorted. Well, I've got a beauty for you today. An absolute beauty. Open face sandwich from Louisville, Kentucky, the Kentucky Hot Brown. An absolute beauty. The only thing that you've got to get, I mean, it really is simple to do, but the only thing that you've got to get right is the Mornay sauce. There you go. And that's pretty easy. All I know about this sandwich, it's delicious. It was invented in Louisville at the Brown Hotel in the 1920s by a chef called Schmidt. Correct me if I'm wrong, I might say that wrong. But it's an open face sandwich. Turkey on bread with tomato, bacon, all the good stuff. Mornay sauce, which is a bechamel, add cheese in it. It's a Mornay sauce. Very simple. Under the grill, bubbling away, nice and brown. I'm going to crack on because I'm going to make it. I'm excited. So the first thing I've got to do is make the cheese sauce, and this is the star of the sandwich. Right, medium heat. Next, add your butter. Once your butter's melted, add your flour. Nice. Right, at this stage, very important, cook out your flour. You've got to cook out your flour for a good 3 to 4 minutes. If you don't, it'll become chalky, and you don't want that. A nice low heat. Can you see how it's come to a paste like that? Just keep on stirring it. Right, now at this stage, add your milk and change to a whisk. Right now, turn your flame up. The higher the flame, the thicker it'll be. And do not move. Keep whisking until it becomes thick, and then we'll add the cheese. Look at that, can you see how thick it's getting? And if you go like that and you see bubbles, it's not ready yet. Just keep on stirring. Now that's perfect, that's where I want it. And if I go like that, you can see there's no bubbles. It's going with a whisk. Beautiful, beautiful. Right, so take off the heat. I'm gonna add some smoked paprika, just for some tiny bit of smokiness, and that goes very well with the sandwich. And I've got a combination of cheeses. I've got some cheddar and I've got some Parmesan. That's a great combo. Right now, this is the bechamel, or white sauce. When I add the cheese in, some Mornay sauce. So now, add that beautiful cheese. Yes. And then just give that beauty a stir. That is it. The hardest part's done. Just put that to one side. It doesn't matter if it gets cold with this. The beauty about this is we're going to put it on the sandwich, put it under the broiler, and get it nice and golden brown and bubbly. The hardest part's done, and we're just going to assemble the sandwich. That's it, easy. I've got some really nice thick cut bacon for this. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this beauty. It smells beautiful. Smells really smoky, but it's so thick. I love it, look at that. I'm gonna put this beautiful bacon on a tray and we're gonna cook it in the oven. That smells amazing. It smells like a barbecue joint. Oh yes. Wow. Because this is just a simple sandwich, try and get good quality ingredients. Right, I've got my bacon, that's done. So I'm gonna put that to one side. Tomato, and I've got some really good quality sourdough bread. This is gonna taste amazing with my sandwich. My grill's getting hot, so what I wanna do, I wanna add some olive oil on my bread, because I want to get some nice char marks on there. Get them on and push down. And I just want to rub a little bit of garlic on there, all around the edges as well. And for my tomato, I want to cook fairly thick. We're going to grill these tomatoes, so I'm going to add some olive oil just over the top. And the protein I'll be using is turkey. On a hot brown originally, you put turkey on it. Store-bought turkey, amazing, delicious, great for my sandwich. All right, first thing I need to do is get my bread in my pan and then lather that with turkey. And then from there, a nice beautiful tomato. Next, my beautiful cheese sauce. Look at that. Like I said, it doesn't matter if it's cold. It's going to get warmed up and nice and bubbly. And at the very end, some beautiful Parmesan cheese. Nice. This is going to be a cheese heaven. Right, put this under the broiler until golden brown and bubbly and beautiful. It's a creamy, cheesy bacon paradise. It looks amazing. I've got to have a bit of this bacon. Oh yes. Got a bit of everything. That bread, cheese, turkey. You've got to give this a go. Pure comfort food. Stick to your ribs food. I love that Mornay sauce. I was bubbled up and got all nice and brown, even more flavorful. The bacon just had some nice texture, some smokiness. The turkey, it just all works. And you know, it's so simple to actually do. You saw me how I make that and how simple it is. Good ingredients, cooked well. You've just got to give it a try. You can get all these ingredients. Just give it a try. You'll be amazed how delicious it is. Thanks, guys.